Welcome to Chris's Tech Tips. Today we're going to be talking about the Panelview 600 Plus. And in front of us here we have three different types of touchscreens that we've found in the Panelview Plus. So if you're planning on buying one standard touchscreen from China or whatever, and they don't have information on all three different versions of touchscreens, and you're not sure which one, you might want to go to Monitech, www.monitech.com, to make sure you get the right touchscreen. And as you can see, there's three different sizes, or they're all three are the same sizes, but the tail on them right here are all different. And depending on which version you have, you need to have the exact touchscreen to fit into the control. And we're just going to go through. As you can see from the front looks exactly the same. So just by looking at the fronts, you can't tell which touchscreen you have. And we'll go over to the different computers. Here's just two of the different versions. What we have is, this is where one of the touchscreens plug in. I don't have any of the touchscreens plugged in right now. And on this one, it's actually on the bottom side, right over here is where the other touchscreen goes in. So as you can see, they're completely different. Here's the 1 version, 2 version, and 3 version. So definitely give Monitech a call, and if you're trying to replace a touchscreen on a Panelview Plus 600, and make sure you get the right one. And they usually have them in